Battle of Umberkhind unfolded on February 3, 1661, between the Maratha Empire led by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Mughals commanded by Kartalab Khan. This clash showcased Shivaji's tactical brilliance and expertise in guerrilla warfare. Despite being outnumbered, Shivaji Maharaj's 1,000-strong Maratha army triumphed over the 20,000 Mughal soldiers within just 2 to 3 hours. The Battle of Umberkhind is often overshadowed in history books by the narrative of Aurangzeb imprisoning Shivaji, leaving many unaware of this significant triumph. On February 3, 1925, Bharat witnessed its first electric train covering the distance between Bombay VT and Kurla Harbour, operating at 1500 volts DC. This historic journey marked not only Bharat's but also Asia's first electric train. Sir Leslie Wilson, the then Bombay governor, inaugurated the train. He later extended the electric rail line between Kolaba and Borivali on January 5, 1928. In contrast, the inaugural train in Bharat ran from Poribandar to Thane in 1853, powered by 3 steam engines, accommodating around 400 passengers. Bharat's first nuclear submarine, later named INS Chakra, arrived in Vishakhapatnam from Russia on February 3, 1988, covering a sea distance of 10,300 kilometers in 18 days. The submarine's arrival was welcomed by Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. INS Chakra was leased from Russia during the Cold War, causing concerns for both Pakistan and China. The nuclear submarine represented a significant leap in Bharat's naval capabilities. Born on February 3, 1816 in Ludhiana, Punjab, Ram Singh Kuka, a soldier, religious Sikh leader and Bharatiya freedom fighter, laid the foundation for the non-cooperation movement in 1870. He advocated boycotting British goods and services. Imprisoned in Burma for life, Ram Singh Kuka died in 1885. His influence on the Namdhari sector fueled the fight against British oppression, demanding not only independence but also a ban on cow slaughter and the boycott of foreign products. A tragic stampede at Prayagraj Kumbh Mela on February 3, 1954 resulted in the deaths of an estimated 500 to 700 people. Former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who was visiting to inspect preparations, faced criticism for allegedly contributing to the chaos due to VIP movements. The stampede occurred in slippery conditions caused by rain, making it difficult for people to stand up if they fell. The incident unfolded amidst the presence of Prime Minister Nehru and President Rajendra Prasad.